Tired of financial chaos and ready to take control? Let's dive into a quick Quicken Classic Deluxe tutorial that will get you organized. First, open Quicken. This is your home base. You'll see a welcome screen. Let's start by setting up your accounts. Click on Add Account. You'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to add, like a checking account, savings, or credit card. Select the appropriate option. Quicken can automatically connect to your bank. Simply enter your online banking credentials to securely download transactions directly into Quicken. Once connected, Quicken will download your recent transactions. You'll see a list of purchases, deposits, and withdrawals. Time to categorize. For each transaction, select a category from the drop-down menu. This is how Quicken helps you track where your money is going. Be as specific as possible for accurate reporting. Now, let's look at budgeting. Click on the Budgeting tab. Here you can create a budget based on your income and expenses. Quicken will visually show you how you're doing against your budget. Finally, explore the reporting features. You can generate reports on your income, expenses, net worth, and more. These reports give you a clear picture of your financial health. And that's a quick overview of Quicken Classic Deluxe. Play around with the features and discover all the ways Quicken can help you manage your finances effectively.